Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Webflow. Whether you're building a landing page, structuring content, or organizing information clearly, bullet points are essential for readability and visual hierarchy. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to webflow.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials to access your Webflow dashboard. This is where all your projects and sites are stored, and where you'll begin building or editing your pages. After logging in, look at the upper right corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Plus New Site. Click on that to start creating a new project. This option opens up the site creation menu, where you can choose from templates or start fresh. From the options presented, select Blank Site. This gives you a clean canvas to work from without any pre-built layouts or design elements. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your site's name. Type in whatever you'd like to call your project, something that reflects its purpose or content. Once you've entered the name, click Create Site. Webflow will take a moment to set everything up and load your new workspace. Now that your site is created, you'll see the Webflow Designer interface. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice a panel with various tools and elements. Click the plus icon in that left panel. This opens the Add Elements menu, where you can drag and drop different components onto your canvas. In the search bar at the top of the Add Elements menu, type List. Webflow will filter the options to show you list-related elements. You'll see different list options available, such as unordered lists, which are perfect for bullet points. Drag your preferred list option directly onto your canvas. Once it's placed, you'll see a default list appear with placeholder items. Now it's time to customize your bullet points. Double-click on the list you just added. This allows you to edit the content directly. You can type your preferred text into each bullet point, replacing the placeholder text with your actual content. If you need more bullet points, simply press Enter after a line to create a new one. You can also adjust styling, spacing, and appearance using the Style panel on the right if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully added and customized bullet points in Webflow. This simple feature helps structure your content and makes it easier for visitors to scan and understand your message. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.